Facing unpredictable driving conditions? Introducing Robofinity InsightDrive, the first AI-powered thermal imaging dashcam. A 5-minute setup, no extra tools or costs. Control key features with a tap on your phone. Drive confidently with precise distance to vehicles ahead. Adapt easily from dark to bright with clear visibility. See farther with clear vision in heavy fog. Keep your visibility sharp during rainy conditions. Keep yourself and animals safe with early detection. Receive real-time hazard alerts to help avoid accidents. Adjust alert distances for safer driving in the city. Adjust alert distances for different conditions. Navigate confidently in the blinding light of high beams. Increase safety with object detection up to 656 feet. A wide-angle camera captures thermal imaging. AI algorithms analyzes thermal images for safer driving. HD touchscreen gives clear visuals without blocking your view. Stable connections with hidden wiring ensure a clean setup. Fits most models including sedans, SUVs, pickups, and MPVs. Robofinity InsightDrive, your reliable co-pilot with advanced thermal imaging.